Okay, so you're wondering if you can freeze your region's bank debit card. This is a great question, and one that I get asked a lot. The answer is yes, you can freeze your region's bank debit card. In fact, it's a good idea to do so if you think your card has been compromised or if you're just trying to protect yourself from fraud. But how do you freeze your region's bank debit card? There are a few different ways to do this. The easiest way is to use the region's mobile app. Just log into the app and select the Lock Kit option. You can then choose to freeze your card completely or to block specific types of transactions, such as ATM withdrawals or online purchases. You can also freeze your region's bank debit card by calling Regions Bank customer service. Just have your card number and PIN ready, and they will be able to help you freeze your card. Once your card is frozen, you will not be able to use it for any transactions. If you need to make a purchase, you will need to use a different card or method of payment. There are a few reasons why you might want to freeze your region's bank debit card. One reason is if you think your card has been compromised. This could happen if you have lost your card or if it has been stolen. It could also happen if you have made a purchase online or over the phone and you suspect that your card information has been compromised. Another reason to freeze your region's bank debit card is if you are traveling and you are concerned about fraud. When you are traveling, your card is more likely to be used by someone who is not you. By freezing your card, you can help to protect yourself from unauthorized transactions. If you decide to freeze your region's bank debit card, it is important to remember that you can unfreeze it at any time. Simply log into the Regions mobile app or call Regions Bank customer service and they will be able to help you unfreeze your card. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy.